Congratulations, seniors! The purpose of this video is to give you an understanding on what's happening during your senior ceremony. Butler Tech's senior ceremony will occur on Monday, May 16th at the Cintas Center at 7 p.m. for all Butler Tech High School campuses. Doors open at 5:30 p.m. and students should arrive no later than 6:15 p.m. Students and guests will need to have a general admission ticket to enter the Cintas Center. Tickets will be available for students to pick up at their campuses a week before the ceremony. There is no ticket limit. Each student will wear their gown from their home school. In addition, students may wear their Butler Tech cord, National Technical Honor Society stole, GPA of 3.5 or higher cord, blood donations cord, military cord, and or any homeschool stoles and cords. We will not have any additional cords on site. Clothing under the gown should follow the same guidelines as their homeschool. Inappropriate dress may result in a student not being allowed to participate in the ceremony. Please do not bring purses, backpacks, or any additional clothing, shoes, or materials with you. You will not be able to leave anything in the room where we meet. Students and parents should park in section C2 on the east side of the Cintas Center. There is a wheelchair lift on the west side of the building at Gate 7 and a switchback ramp on the east side of the building at Gate 8A. Parents and guests should enter the Cintas Center through the main entrance. Students, as you face the front of the building, go to the left side and you'll go into the auxiliary gym entrance. It is near the C1 parking lot. Students will go up the stairs and report to Banquet Room 1. Once in Banquet Room 1, students should find their program instructor. Look for a program sign. Students will be lining up in alphabetical order by last name. Students will be given name cards. You must hold on to your name card. 10 minutes before the ceremony start time, we'll begin moving down to the arena level. When walking into the arena, students should be walking in pairs, one on the left and one on the right, in sync. Students will be seated by program in alphabetical order by last name. When students are called up to receive their certificates, students should all rise by each row and follow the path to the stage as illustrated. Your CTE teacher will be your guide. Students must bring their name cards up with them. At the bottom of the stairs, students will hand their name card to the name reader. They'll proceed up the stairs, nod at the principal, receive their certificate from the superintendent, nod at the CTE teacher, and move down the stairs and around back to their seat. At the end of the ceremony, students will be led out of the arena by the junior marshals. Students will exit out of the west entrance, which is the entrance they came in, and then should meet their guests at the front of the Cintas Center. Thank you for watching this video. We can't wait to celebrate your achievement on May 16th. Congratulations, seniors!